Hi, my name is Andrew, and today I'm going to show you how to build a tool rack. And these are our Norway spruce. We're going to try growing these for our backyard nursery. We'll see how they are doing come spring, and we'll pot these up. When it still gets cold, we don't stop. We still got to do a lot of stuff in the garden. Because, first, we still got this stuff and this stuff. The reason I made the tool rack is so we could keep all of our tools on it, because we have a lot of tools. So that's why we made it. This is how you make it. You just gotta grab 2 posts and a wooden pallet and slide it oval. Then you're done. So simple, even my 2 stupid brothers could do it. Okay. So first, never do what I just did. Never run with tools. It's dangerous. All you gotta do is just take this, then boom. That simple. So this is where we're gonna hang all of our tiny dig holes and anything else, because if we just put it down there'd be no getting it back unless we just take it apart, which is actually really simple. So if you like this video, which of course I know you did because it's me. Okay, well, make sure you hit the thumbs, hit the bell, and make sure you like to subscribe.